Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Thursday, 5th of September 2024, Nifty index opened gap down by around 200 points on account of weak global cues, but that marked the low of the day and we witnessed a comeback of the bulls. Recovery was seen throughout the day and it managed to recover by 130 points from its intraday lows. It formed a bullish belt hold sort of a candle on the daily frame and closed near its higher zones. Now it has to continue to hold above 25,200 for the next up move. India VIX was down by around 4% to 14.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 1.08. Volatility slightly inched higher but has been hovering in a narrow band at its lower zones, which is paving the way for the bulls at any declines. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,900 to 25,700. While immediate range is in between 25,000 to 25,500. Now, the US 10-year bond yield has dropped to a one-year low of 3.7%, driven by expectation of a rate cut. The US Dow Jones Index rebounded into positive territory yesterday, following dovish comments from the Fed officials and a decrease in the new job openings, which enhanced sentiments around a potential rate cut at the Fed's September meeting. Now moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 975 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 97 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 68%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to continue to hold above 25,200 for an up move towards 25,400, then 25,500. While supports can be seen at 25,100, then 25,000 levels. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 51,250 for an up move towards 51,750, then 52,000 levels, while supports can be seen at 51,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in pharma, consumption, realities, cement and construction stocks. Now, stocks to keep on radar. Weak demand from China and US pulled down oil prices by 6% in the last 2 days, and oil prices have dropped to a 14-month low, which is likely to drive a positive move for HPCL. Now, beneficiaries from this oil price drop will also be seen in Asian Paint, Berger Paint and Pidilite. Some of the other counters which are looking quite positive from the FMCG space, we have Dabur and HUL. From the cement pack, we have JK Cement and Ultratech Cement. Capital market-related stocks also including the broking, depository, exchange-related counters like MCX looking quite good. Now, pharma remains positive and Alkem and Lupin can be kept on radar. Weakness could be seen in RBL Bank, Federal Bank, Coal India, Bank of Baroda, BHAL, PNB, NMDC. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.